I hope you guys are having a good summer and that you guys are all safe. And today I'm going to go over this worksheet and I'm gonna solve several problems so you guys can understand how to do it if you guys don't remember. But I think you guys are pretty familiar with quite a lot of these. So let's get started. So for the first problem, it says write a fact family for the set of numbers. So the numbers given in this box here are 17, 9, and 8. So we're going to first write an addition sentence. So as you can see from these values here, 9 plus 8 is 17, right? So for the first sentence in the fact family, we're going to write 9 plus 8 equals 17. And then we have to write a second addition problem. And if you guys did not notice, 8 plus 9 is also equal to 17. Next, we have to write two subtraction sentences. And for the subtraction sentence, as you could tell, the biggest number has to be the first value of our subtraction sentence. So we're going to write 17 minus 9, for example, equals 8. In addition, we have to write one more question, and 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. As you could see, all of these addition and subtraction problems are correct, and we could see that our fact family is correct. And I'll do the second question with you guys as well. So we're first going to write two addition sentences. So as you could see from the values here, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, right? So for our first question, we could do 2 plus 4 equals to 6. And then, just like the first question, we could just switch these places and they have the same sum. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Next, we're going to write subtraction sentences, and as you could see, it's true that 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So we could write 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. And 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. And then you guys try number 3 and 4 by yourself, and after you guys solve those problems, come back. Okay, so these questions are pretty simple, but I'll go over the first two questions as well. So as you could tell, we have to find the sum or the difference of the given values here. And the first question is 7 plus 5 equals. So you guys could use your fingers to find these simple one-digit sums, or you could also draw shapes and do it. So for this one, I'll draw some circles to solve the question. So first, I'm going to draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have to add 5 more circles. Plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you count it up, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 circles, so 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Let's do the second question. This one's a subtraction question. So we already have 12 circles drawn here, and to subtract, you guys could do this with your head, in your head, or use your fingers, but you guys could also like cross out shapes and do it. So I'm gonna cross out 5 circles for minus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many circles still remain solid? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. And let's do number 2 together again. So this time is 8 plus 7 equals, I'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to draw 7 more circles for plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's count how many circles there are in all. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. And then let's do the second problem, which is a subtraction question. So 15 minus 7 equals, so let's cross out for minus 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. How many circles remain solid? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. I hope you guys get them and try the next few questions. Then this one, we're going to learn how to do hands on the clock. So time, drawing time. So the first question, we're going to draw 1 o'clock. So as you guys know, the hour hand is the short hand on the circle, and the minute is the long hand on the clock. So we're first going to draw the short hand for 1 o'clock, the hour. So it will point towards 1, and then o'clock, it will point towards 12, the long hand. There you go. This is your first question, and let me try number 2 together, which is a little bit harder because it's not going to be at 12. It's not at o'clock time. So first, we're going to draw the minutes. So we're going to find 30 minutes on the clock, which will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this shows that the long hand, the minute hand, will be pointing towards 30, the 6. And then the 2, it won't point exactly right at 2, the short hand, the hour hand, because it passed o'clock here. So it will be in between 2 and 3 o'clock here. So the minute hand the hour hand is going to go in between like that. And here you go. And try number 3 and 4. Okay, so this is going to be word problems now, and we're going to learn how to do money word problems. So let's read number 1 together. It says, Michelle wants to buy a chocolate bar that costs 75 cents. So this shows that she wants to buy a chocolate bar that costs 75 cents. However, she only has 65 cents. How much more money does she need to buy a chocolate bar? So as you can see, this is a subtraction problem because we're trying to find out how much money she needs to be able to buy it. So we're going to do 75 minus 65 cents. And as you can see, 5 minus 5 is 0, and 7 minus 6 is 1. So she needs 10 more cents to be able to buy the chocolate bar. Then let's do number 4 together. It says, Catherine has 2 nickels and 4 dimes. Does she have enough money to buy a candy that costs 50 cents? So, if you guys didn't know, a nickel is worth 5 cents. So 2 nickels would be 5 cents plus 5 cents, which is equal to 10 cents. And then 4 dimes, 1 dime is worth 10 cents. So it's going to be 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 40 cents. So this shows that she has 10 cents and 40 cents, and if you add that, 10 cents plus 40 cents is equal to 50 cents, and this shows that she has enough money to buy candy. She has exactly 50 cents, so yes, she does have enough money. Yes. I hope you guys understood those problems, so try these 3 remaining problems here. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson and understood how to solve these questions, and have a great day and see you guys soon.